What if I told you that $1 is all you need to start building real wealth?
Most people believe you need thousands of dollars to start a business. That's the biggest lie holding you back.
Successful entrepreneurs don't wait for perfect conditions. They start with what they have and build from there. Steve Jobs started Apple in a garage with almost nothing. Today, it's worth $3 trillion. Here's the truth. Your $1 isn't the business. Your skills, your time, your knowledge, that's the real capital. Option 1, share your knowledge. Teach what you know. People pay for solutions, not degrees. Use that dollar to post one ad offering consultation in your field. Just one client can turn $1 into 100. Option 2, offer a service. Everyone has a skill. Identify yours and offer it to your community. Spend your dollar on travel to meet one potential client. Deliver exceptional value. They'll refer 3 more. Option 3, create digital products. Write an ebook, design a template, record your expertise, sell it infinitely. The secret isn't the dollar amount. It's the momentum. $1 becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. Remember, earn with integrity, help others succeed, and trust that honest work brings blessed rewards.
Every empire started with one decision, one action, $1. Your story begins the moment you stop waiting.
So here's my question. What will you build with your $1? Comment your business idea below.